Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Steam where you normally do your trading. Once signed in, click your username and choose View Profile. This opens the controls tied to your identity. Then select Inventory. This step is essential because trade settings live with your items. Make sure you use the desktop site or the mobile web version for full options. Doing this first lets you move straight into trade settings without detours, so proceed now to access the offer controls. Next, from your inventory, click the Trade Offers or More button to open the offer interface. This is where Steam centralizes trade links. Once there, choose Who Can Send Me Trade, Offers to reveal trade-specific options. This section exposes the trade URL control. Look for the Share a Trade URL entry. It's the only way Steam provides a reusable link to accept offers. You do this because the trade URL ties directly to your active inventory permissions, letting others send offers without friend requests. Finally, use the Copy button next to Share a Trade URL and paste it into your desired place, message, MarketBot, or trade form, so others can send offers directly. If no URL appears, make sure your inventory privacy aligns with Steam requirements. Sometimes it must be public or set to allow trades. If problems persist, re-log in, clear cache, or switch to the mobile web. These steps refresh your account state. One key troubleshooting tip: toggling inventory privacy, then checking often restores the missing.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.